Good morning, boys and girls. Miss Cannady is here with you today to talk about equations and word problems in our math lessons this week. I want you to pay attention and remember, if you need to stop the video, you can just click on it and come back later. First, what is an equation? An equation is a number sentence. It uses numbers and symbols. The symbols that we know are plus, minus, and equals. Today, we're going to use our symbols and our numbers to solve some word problems. Here's how we're going to solve the word problems. A word problem is a story. It has sentences and it tells you something that's happening, and you have to find out the answer. Step number 1 says, what is the problem about? So you're going to read it, and then step number 2, read it again and decide what is the problem in this word story. And step number 3, how can we solve it? What signs will we use? Step number 4, to solve this problem, will we use the plus or will we use the minus? And step number 5, check it to be sure it makes sense. So let's go together and try one of our word problems today. Liz saw 3 red birds and her mom saw 4 blue birds. How many birds did they see in all? Do you see the birds in the tree? There were 3 red birds and 4 blue birds, and that makes together, how many all together? If you want to, you can count them, but you should know 3 plus 4 equals 7. So how many birds were there in all? 7 birds in the tree. We had some important words in there that you needed to know. 3 red birds, 4 blue birds. How many together? Okay, let's try another one. You did great on that one. Here is Matt. Matt picked 3 flowers for his mom and 2 flowers for his sister. How many flowers did Matt pick? All right, there's the flowers, and there's Matt. He's going to go over and pick how many for his mom? Remember, we read it. 3 flowers for his mom. And how many for his sister? 2 flowers for his sister. And how much is that together? 3 plus 2 equals 5. Yes, you got that right. So together, Matt picked 5 flowers for his mom and his sister. Good job. Okay, here's another one. We've learned about birds this week, so Miss Cannady has lots of birds to show you today. John saw 2 robins and 4 bluebirds. Wait, I don't see but 2 bluebirds. Where are those bluebirds? There comes one. There comes the other. There's our 4 bluebirds. Remember, the words are important. 2 robins and 4 bluebirds. How many birds did John see? Let's see. First he saw 2 robins, and then he saw 4 bluebirds, and that together, 2 plus 4 equals 6. That is our equation for today. 2 plus 4 equals 6. So altogether, the answer would be 6 birds that John saw. All right, we're doing great. Ready for another one? Here we go. This one's a little bit different. These yellow birds are having a good time in the tree, but something scared them, and 2 birds flew away. There goes one bird. There goes another. How many birds are left? If I saw 5 birds in the tree and 2 birds flew away, how many birds are left? Let's see if we can make that equation. 5 birds in a tree minus 2 that flew away gives us our answer of 3. Great job, boys and girls. You are doing awesome with your word problems. Now, let's review what we've talked about today. What is an equation? I want you to shout it out. What is an equation? A number sentence, not made out of words, but numbers. And what symbols have we learned? I know you know them. Plus, minus, and equals. There they are. And what are the 5 steps for doing a word problem? Read the problem. Point out the important parts of the problem that you know. Look for those numbers and what you're going to do with the numbers. Decide how you're going to make a plan to solve this problem. What are you going to do to solve the problem to get your answer? And 4, what of the symbols are you going to use? And number 5, always check your work. Be sure it makes sense. Now, I've got a little activity I want you to do all by yourself. Get a pencil and get some paper and draw your own picture for this word problem. Then write the equation to solve it. When you finish, take a picture of it and send it to your teacher. Remember, I want a picture and an equation to go with this word problem. Listen carefully. The girl picked 6 pink flowers, and her friend picked 4 yellow flowers. How many did they pick in all? If you don't know, remember you can come back and look at this video and find out exactly what you need before you draw your picture and write your equation. But most of all, I want you to have fun. Have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye.